Plot bathymetry data into your research map. Don't forget to follow us to learn more. First, download bathymetry data from JEPCO website as 2D NetCDF, and then upload the bathymetry data to Google Colaboratory. Install NetCDF for library to read bathymetry data with NC format. And then, install Basemap library to plot the research map and bathymetry contour. Also, you can insert label into your map. Now we will import all the libraries. Here we use Pandas, NumPy, Basemap, and NetCDF for library. Using dataset from NC library, we can read the JEPCO file. Then, we create new variable for latitude, longitude, and elevation based on the values from NC variables. Next, we separate the land and sea data using NumPy where here we create a mesh grid from latitude and longitude data. Then we can plot the map. Here we define the coordinate of our research. Then we can set the projection map. After that we create the latitude and longitude line. Next we plot the contour bathymetry. Then we can add the label using scatter and plot. Here we add 3 labels, so we should to create 3 points and plot it using 3 scatter with different name label. For example, we plot Kupang Station, Alor Station, and Waingapu Station. And finally, this is the result.